How would you like this to be your view every day? There's a lot to love about this property, aside from its location. It comes with lots of amenities, places to park your boats, a swim deck with the retractable ladder, private boat ramp, and a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. This beautiful property on the Council Cove arm of Grand Lake is just waiting to be your next home. Let's go in and take a look. Upon entering, our first stop is the primary suite. Lots of natural lighting and a great lake view. Our next stop is a second bathroom. And then we enter the main living area. Spacious kitchen, dining, and living room. There's a wood insert for the fireplace that keeps the house nice and cozy in the winter. Off the kitchen, we have the laundry room. Coming across the hall where we entered, we have the other 2 bedrooms. Again, this bedroom has lots of windows and a good view of the lake. The outdoor living space is second to none. It's got a big deck, along with a fenced-in area for kiddos or pets, and again, that gorgeous lake view. There's plenty of paved parking, an oversized single-car garage, plenty of space for all of your lake toys, and additional parking. So if you're looking for a year-round place to call home, or just a place to get away from it all, 63741 East 202 Road in Wyandotte might be just what you're looking for, and it could be yours because the price is right.